Good morning, everybody. We're here on this work order in this apartment. We have this electric 240 volt range. The burner, this big one on the right, is not working, and when we put it on low or medium, it's getting hot more than what it's supposed to. In low, supposed to be low heat, and medium heat, of course, and then high is going straight to a lot of heat. So more than likely the infinity switch is not working properly because it's allowing a lot of power to pass through when it's supposed to allow just partial current. So since it works, we know that it's not the receptacle and it's not the burner, so it's gonna be the infinity switch, and I'm gonna take you step by step how to test it. And we're here at the breaker box, and usually it's a 30 or a 40, so that's 30. So we're gonna turn that double pole 30 amp breaker. I think that's it. So now we have to confirm. And yeah, the light is off, so that means that we're good. So now we're gonna pull the oven out because we need to access the back to replace that control. So this is the back, and we have to remove this cover. It's about 8 screws, and these quarter-inch nuts, quarter-inch screws, quarter-inch hex screws. I'm going to the place, okay? Okay. So now we have all 8-10 screws. So just be careful because this is sharp. It'll cut your fingers. So just put it on the side. And we can see the infinity switches here. This orange and then the black one. You see the dot on the other side is the same. So the orange is for the 8-inch burner and the black for the 6-inch burner. And we have the same, the orange and the black. So we're gonna replace the orange, which is a bigger burner, the 8 inches. They are not interchangeable. Always use the orange with the orange and the black with the black. The orange has more power than the black. So now I'm gonna take you step by step how to test this infinity switch. Of course, we know that the resistance, the burner works. We know the receptacle works. This infinity switch is the one that doesn't work. And this is a black one, is a smaller one, but this is just for testing. We know that the one that is bad is the big one. So, okay, let's start. So let's turn it on for testing purposes. And we're gonna test L1 and H2. And we're supposed to have continuity. So I'm gonna put my lead here. And then the lead on number 1. And we have continuity. Because we have the switch on, if you remember. Now we're going to put it in P2. With the P2 is the light in front of the oven. So H1, P2, and L1 are interconnected. So all 3 are interconnected, and I'm going to show you in the diagram why. So if you hear every time I touch, you can hear the beeping. So right here we have L1. And it's connected with 2P and H1. If any of those 3 terminals don't connect, If it doesn't beep, it's because something was wrong. So you replace your infinity switch. Okay, so now we're gonna continue with the other side with L2. We're gonna test L1 and H2, and the heater is H2 and H1. H for heater. So we're gonna try first L2 and H2, and we're supposed to have continuity, and we do. If you hear that. So now we're gonna kill the power at the switch, so we're gonna turn it off. When we turn it off, it's supposed to disconnect it, so you don't supposed to have any continuity right there. Now I turn it on. Okay, now if we put our leads in L1 and L2, we're gonna measure ohms, and depending on which heater you have, you're gonna read 18 to 20 or 38 to 40. And since we have the bigger one here, you put it in L1, L2, and you're gonna read the resistance that is in the big heater, which is 38 ohms. So to remove the control, we have to pull on the knob. I want to pull the knob, and then there are two Phillips screws there. So we're gonna do one and then the other one. So that's it. This is it. So we're gonna pull it over here, and then we're gonna replace one by one. So we're gonna remove one, and then we're gonna transfer it to the new one, so you know what's going on. So we're gonna start with the purple one. And we're gonna put it here where it goes. Then this red one, or whatever color it is, then we're gonna put it next to it. Then the red one and the black one. So the red one first, and then the black. And then the last one, this pinkish, reddish, whatever. That's it. And then we're going to put it through here. And now we pushed it from the back, and then we have the two screws. That's one. And that's two. So I'm going to put back all the screws. And now we're going to push it back. That's it. Now we're going to put the handle. We're going to turn the power back on. We're going to test. It's getting warmer. Okay, it's getting hot. And that's red hot. So that's it, it worked. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.